Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. Today we're at the Yard House and it's kind of dark in here. This is the Firecracker Shrimp that I ordered. First time at the Yard House. First time to order this, so let's see how it tastes. It's kind of spicy, I believe, alright? It's dark in here, so the film quality may be kind of crappy. We'll see what happens. Firecracker Shrimp. Came out pretty quick, so I'm kind of worried. Tastes good. At the bottom, this little rice cake thing. Hang on, let's see. Where are you? I think this is $14.99, I believe. Not a bad little meal. Has a rice cake on it, and I forgot the other ingredients. But the shrimp are tender and nice. This rice cake, it's crunchy on the outside, okay? And soft on the inside. It's good. First time having it. Once again, the shrimp.
Is it everything your taste buds have ever wanted?
It's not bad, all right? You're a funny girl. Growl. All right, so hopefully I got it focused in the right spot. Not really sure. Firecracker shrimp. Now, it's good. I can see how this is a regular item for some folks when they come here. You know? Some of the green stuff on top, not really sure. Give it a bite. It's a good product, actually, this Firecracker Shrimp. If you had it before, let me know in the comment section, okay? Now, the Yard House is known for having a lot of beers, right? Allegedly, over 160 different beers they have. I'm not a beer drinker, so, you know, but I know a lot of you guys are out there. IPAs, you know, Big Dog, Las Vegas Lagers, Bad Beat, Hoppy Times, all kinds of beers here. Oh, hey, almost done. It's delicious. You guys, this is pretty good, actually. The more I eat it, the more I like it. The spice level is not sky high, okay? But it's a nice little warm feeling. Well done, Yardbird, or Yard House. Well done, Yard House. Don't beat me up. Delicious. I got the Jambalaya with Linguine, blackened shrimp, Andalucci, what do you call it? Andalucci sausages, whatever it's called. And yeah, looks good, you guys. Wish there's better lighting in here. It's ridiculous, the lighting. Hold on, let's see. Oh, there we go. It's even worse, huh? Oh, for you beer lovers, here's the beer menu. For all you beer lovers out there, brews we love. All right. So let's check it out, this Jambalaya with Linguine. Let's check it out and see how that goes. Little sausages. Hey, you guys. Get out of here. It's the first time down here, like I said. So far, on the money. That Firecracker Shrimp was good. This Jambalaya with Linguine. Looks good. Feels good. Smells good. It's hot. Tastes good. Hey, I think this is the full-size plate. Comes in at $19.99. So hey.
How is it? Good?
Thank you. Good recommendation. This is good. Really good. Ooh. The sausage feels well cooked all the way through. This is a mild spice, which is fine. The linguine is not, you know, al dente, I guess, with a little bite to it. Kind of soft, which is fine with me. And the spice level, the seasoning feels great. Anyway, the wind blows. All right, let's tackle the shrimp. Okay, so breaking apart a shrimp without using your hands. La da da da, la da da da. Insert the fork. Oh, that was easy. Hey, so good shrimp, tender, soft, not chewy, delicious. Chicken, delicious. The sausage, delicious. I can recommend the jambalaya at the Yard House. The food was good, delicious, came out the right temperature. Hey, Yard House, got my vote. You guys did a very good job today. For me, a very, very good job. And I am a satisfied customer. Like I always say, see you outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, and have a great day. The George. He knows all the chords. Bum, bum, bum.